Hello, scholars. Welcome to Learning with Ms. Andy. Have you ever written a strong introduction and then thought, now what do I say? If so, today's lesson is just for you. Today, we will learn how to write strong body paragraphs that support our opinion with clear reasons and evidence.
Howdy, scholars! Time to build the middle of our essay, the part where we really start convincing folks.
The body paragraphs are the middle of your essay.
They're where you explain your reasons and show your evidence, not just say your opinion again.
Think of your essay like a big, juicy Western burger.
The introduction is the top bun.
The conclusion is the bottom bun.
And the body paragraphs, that's the good stuff in the middle. We're talking crispy bacon, smoky barbecue sauce, and maybe even some spicy Anaheim chilies.
Without the middle, it's just bread.
And nobody wants an essay that's just bread.
Each body paragraph should focus on one reason from your thesis statement.
Not 5 reasons, not 3 squished together, just one.
If your thesis listed 3 reasons,
then you'll write 3 body paragraphs, 1 for each reason.
Let's remember Olivia's thesis. I believe living in the Sonoran Desert would be better than living in a forest because it has unique wildlife, beautiful landscapes, and exciting outdoor adventures. That means Olivia needs 1 paragraph about wildlife, 1 about landscapes, and 1 about adventures.
See? Organized as a neat row of cactus plants.
In each paragraph, you don't just name the reason. You explain it and add evidence.
Evidence can be facts you learned, examples, research, or details that prove your point. Here's an example with my reason on wildlife. One reason the Sonoran Desert is a great place to live is its unique wildlife. For example, the desert is home to animals like the Gila monster and the roadrunner, which have special adaptations to survive in extreme heat.
Notice how Olivia stated the reason, added facts, explained why it matters. That's convincing writing. Now, scholars, let's talk about something super important.
The use of transition words and phrases in your writing.
Transition words and phrases help your writing flow smoothly. They're like road signs guiding your reader.
Without transitions, your writing feels jumpy, like a jackrabbit on a trampoline. Here are some common transition words you can use. First, next, another reason. Also, for example, in addition, because, and as a result. Let's see if you can hear the transition phrases I used in this example. Another reason the Sonoran Desert is better is its beautiful landscapes. In addition to its wide-open skies, the desert has colorful sunsets and towering saguaro cacti.
See how another reason tells us we're moving to the next paragraph? And in addition, adds more detail? That's smooth writing. Today, we learned that body paragraphs explain your reasons. Each paragraph focuses on one reason. Evidence makes your opinion convincing. Transition words help your writing flow.
And that's how you turn an opinion into writing that rides tall.
Next time, we'll learn how to wrap it all up with a strong conclusion. Thanks for watching. Keep thinking, keep writing, and keep learning.